picture this. You've just come home to find someone living in your house. Can you kick them out in Tennessee? Or have they established squatters' rights? What's up, y'all? I'm Rachel in the Borough, here to answer the question, can someone really live in your Tennessee property for free and take ownership as a squatter? Tennessee doesn't exactly have squatters' rights in the traditional sense. There is a legal concept called adverse possession that allows someone who occupies a property for a long time to acquire ownership. In Tennessee, to qualify for adverse possession, the standard time frame is 20 years. What that means is that that person has lived there, maintained the property, as well as paying the property taxes. If the squatter has a document that suggests they own the property, that is called color of title and reduces this to 7 years, even though the document itself is invalid. In this case, the squatter could file a lawsuit to claim adverse possession and potentially become the legal owner. The legal process for adverse possession is pretty complex, so you should always consult with your attorney regarding the eviction process. It's also important to note that Tennessee law offers additional time for property owners to fight an adverse possession claim if they were under certain disabilities at the time the squatter occupied the property. Can you kick out a squatter in Tennessee, or can the police remove a squatter in Tennessee? From our understanding of the law until recently, police could not directly remove squatters in Tennessee. Even though they are unwanted occupants, they would still have some rights until you go through the legal eviction process. It's ridiculous. This included giving an eviction notice, which could be 2 weeks. You'd file a formal eviction complaint with the local courts and wait for the judge to schedule a hearing where you could present your case for owning your own property. If the court ruled in your favor, the sheriff would then remove the squatter from the property. In some cases, you may not win. You'll have to fight it even further, but even ruling in your favor is a process that can take 2 to 3 months. However, there's a new law just passed here in April 2024 to further protect Tennessee property owners from these low-life squatters. Even though squatters don't have rights in Tennessee, this new law establishes and expedites the process of removing the squatters. That judicial eviction that I just mentioned, House Bill 1259 removes the burden from the Tennessee property owner by clarifying a process for law enforcement to restore possession. This new law can speed up the removal of illegal occupants in a matter of 72 hours. The important thing to note about this law is that it clarifies that law enforcement can be used to remove the squatters from the property, as well as be arrested for trespassing. Previously, the process could take up to 2 years to remove an illegal squatter, all the while costing a property owner thousands in legal fees, lost revenue, potential property repairs, and not to mention the robbery of your own peace of mind and sacred space. The sponsor of the bill, Tim Rudd, right here from Murfreesboro, says this law is specifically to protect Tennessee homeowners and deter squatters. Not only could they be removed very quickly, but now they can be arrested as trespassers. Us responsible, tax-paying citizens can take back control of what's rightfully ours much easier with this new law. If you've been thinking about living in Tennessee, here's a whole playlist with everything from choosing where to live to the cost of living in Tennessee. Make sure to like and subscribe to stay up to date with all your real estate news in Tennessee, and I'll see you at the next video.